Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Every single year, I try to think to myself, what should I do? What should I do for the Geocaching Vlogger Christmas special? And I couldn't think of a better place, a better location to celebrate the holidays than the Christmas Story House. Can you believe it? You can go geocaching all along the street. This is an Adventure Lab spot. There's 5 different locations where you can get 5 different smileys for geocaching. And guess what? This is also a virtual cache. So let's celebrate the holiday spirit and go geocaching. For the official Christmas Story house, you have to count the number of light bulbs around the house. Let's see if we can get it. Christmas Story house done. Now we gotta go to the neighbors. We gotta go to the Bumpus house. We have to answer another question on the Adventure Lab app. Let's go. So the cool thing is the Bumpus house and the Christmas Story house, you can actually stay here overnight. You can just book it right on their website and sleep where Ralphie slept. Right across the street from the house is the Rowley Inn. It is actually a working restaurant, but upstairs while they were filming the movie, that's where they did hair and makeup. And it's also another place I need to answer another question. Right behind me is the Christmas Story Museum, lots of stuff in there, but this spot right here is a spot where the old man looked across the street and was showing the neighbors the leg lamp.
It's a major award. I won it.
Damn, hell, you say you won it? Yeah. Mind power, sweet, mind power.
The entire neighborhood was turned on.
And it's also another location for the Adventure Lab. Of course, this place has a stellar gift shop and another location for the Adventure Lab. There's a question right here, and then we gotta get something out of the gift shop. This is marvelous. Across the street from the Christmas Story house is a store, and this store is huge and it has everything. It has little leg lamps, it has action figures, it has bunny suits, it has anything and everything to do with the Christmas Story. So much to look at. I don't even know what I'm gonna buy. I'll probably get a magnet. I always get a magnet. Yeah, let's just look around and see all there is. This caught my eye right away. It is a pink Nightmare Zoltar machine. It's also a smashed penny machine as well. I wonder if Ralphie can tell me my fortune. What a perfect location for an Adventure Lab. You could get all the locations here on the outside. I got 6 smileys with the virtual. And there is in fact an official tour of the Christmas Story house. It happens every half hour. Should we do it? Should we go check it out? Can you believe it? We are in the Christmas Story house. Not only was the exterior used, but much of the interior was used as well. We're currently in a tour and they're just allowing us to explore the whole house. And I've already found something. Oh my gosh, I found the old man's bowling ball. Fantastic. I guess I'll just sit down right now and check it out. Ooh.
Neat of you.
Thanks a lot.
Perfect. I found a hat that goes just with the house. I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the time. All plugged in. Let's see it. Oh, wow. The soft glow of electric sex out the window.
Only one thing in the world could have dragged me away from the soft glow of electric sex gleaming in the window.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. It's a major award. I can't wait to see what it is.
Fragile. It must be Italian.
Whoa, look at there. It's beautiful. It's a lamp.
What a great lamp.
I think we're gonna put that in the window.
It's indescribably beautiful. It reminds me of the 4th of July.
Oh, it smells so good. Keep it away from the Bumpus's dogs, though.
Stop!
I don't know if I want to eat this. Doesn't look good.
All right, I'll get that kid to eat. Where's my screwdriver and my plumber's helper? I'll open up his mouth and I'll shove it in.
But maybe, just maybe, if I eat like a piggy.
Ralphie, we're waiting.
Oh, come on, Mom.
Right now.
Immediately, my feet began to sweat as those two fluffy little bunnies with the blue button eyes stared sappily up at me.
Come down here so I can see you better. That is the most precious thing I've ever seen in my life.
I look like a deranged Easter bunny. We're now in the real backyard where much of this movie was filmed, and this is a spot where Ralphie shot his eye out.
Okay, Black Bart, now you get yours.
We are now in the Christmas Story Museum. We have artwork here from all around the world. There's actual movie props here from the movie. I'm seeing a real Red Ryder BB gun from the movie. Let's explore. The Holy Grail of Red Ryder BB guns. This is one of the 6 that was actually used in the movie. What an amazing theme. A plus, 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 plus. For some reason, in this room, I can't put my arms down. Don't know what's up.
Is it? What is it?
I can't put my arms down.
This is just probably a crummy commercial. Across the street from the Christmas Story house is this little fire station. Oh no. Oh no. Look what I found. It's a pole. It's a pole. It is almost Christmas time. It's a little chilly. Do I dare? Do I dare? Do you double dog dare me?
Like double dog dare ya!
Do you triple dog dare me?
I triple dog dare ya!
Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.